Tony talking car biz. In today's video, a brand new 2021 Toyota Tundra SR5 double cab long bed 4x4. Let's dive in and check it out. Okay, up front on the SR5, we got a gray mesh grille with chrome surround. Looks really nice on there. Big Toyota badging up front. We've got halogen headlights with LED trim lights, and then halogen fog lights with chrome bumper caps. Lower part of the bumper is a matte black finish. As we head around to the side, we do have part of the upgrade package. We have these large 18-inch cast aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes all the way around, independent front suspension, and then this particular one does have the blackout package. So that's going to give you the black Tundra badging, the black V8 badging. Blacked out door handles are standard on SR5, and then you do get the blacked out SR5 badging. Tinted windows on the back door. This is a double cab, so it's what some people refer to as a cab and a half. 4 doors, 2 full-size doors. Now this one does have the trailer towing mirrors. It's a $50 upgrade. Notice LED lights in the mirrors. These are heated and does have a vortex mirror on the bottom, so you can see your blind spots really well. The SR5 upgrade package does include a larger gas tank, and then we also have factory mud guards on both front and rear wheels. This is one long truck. So this is going to be the smoothest of rides, and it does have a ladder style frame underneath it, so full body on frame construction. Here's another look at those mud flaps, and then we do have the blacked out Toyota tailpipe, which complements the blackout package really nicely. Notice the rear door handles are integrated right into the side of the door, so you almost can't see them in comparison to the blacked out handles up front. Okay, under the hood on the Tundra SR5, this is Toyota's only V8 engine. This is going to be a 5.7 liter V8 32 valves gasoline engine, and this produces 381 horsepower, 401 foot-pounds of torque, and it's connected to a 5-speed automatic transmission. And of course the Tundra does come standard with a heavy-duty towing package, so you get a heavy-duty battery, alternator, transmission cooler, locking differential, and this is going to allow you to tow up to 9,700 pounds. The warranty on the engine and the transmission, 5 years, 60,000 miles. The vehicle itself has a 3-year, 36,000 mile limited warranty. And then you do get Toyota Care at no additional charge. So that's going to cover your tire rotations, your fluid top-offs, and your oil changes for up to 2 years or 25,000 miles, no additional charge.